Hi friends, how you all doing today? If you're new here, hello. In this one, we're going to be doing a tutorial. This is like an A to Z session of content creation on YouTube. A couple of weeks back, I've been dropping tips here and there to make content creation better and also to maximize our earning on YouTube. And so I'll be rounding up everything about YouTube in this video so that we can move to the next digital career opportunity. I noted down the flow of this tutorial, so we're going to begin with knowing which niche to settle for, that is how to settle for a niche. And secondly, we'll look at how we can actually set up a YouTube channel. Then we'll go into how to record, edit, optimize and upload your videos, and then we'll do a quick rundown of the do's and don'ts of content creation on YouTube. I've experimented a lot of things when it comes to YouTube, and I feel like I have my fair share of wisdom when it comes to content creation on YouTube. And currently my channel is just recovering from all of that, and my reason for including do's and don'ts in this tutorial. Oftentimes you hear people say, do what you're passionate about, make videos about what you're passionate about, but really it's about marrying what you're passionate about with what your viewers love to see. Here on YouTube, there's what we call click-through rate and average view duration. These are the things that determine the success of your video. If your click-through rate is not encouraging and the average view duration of every video is not encouraging, the YouTube algorithm will not recommend your videos to too many people. You see, you really need to find that balance between what you enjoy doing and what your viewers love to see. And how you go about this is making a list of your area of interest and doing keyword research to see the volume of people requesting for this content. On this note, I'm going to mention few niches that are ever hot on YouTube search. Anything about vlogs like lifestyle and all is always entertaining, and also it is on high demand on YouTube. Anything about tech review or software review, it is hot on YouTube. Finance, money related issue is also hot. Anything about health is hot too. Cooking tutorial, they're always in high demand. Let me quickly put this aside that you don't need any skill to begin a YouTube channel. All you need is the interest. Your smartphone is more than enough. Invest in audio, because people can make do with your video quality but never your audio quality. Get yourself a lapel microphone like this one, or you can get yourself a much more expensive Rode wireless microphone. To make work much easier, I would recommend that you either get a tripod stand or a Gorilla tripod stand. The Gorilla tripod stand is this one that has flexible legs that you can fix anywhere, and the tripod stand is quite long. You can use it for a lot of purposes. If you don't have a source of good natural light like a wide window, you can also invest in powerful ring lights. And for the software to use for your thumbnail, which is an important element in your video production, you use the Canva. There is the free version of it and there is a pro which you can pay for. So the free version is more than enough for any content creator. So you can use the Canva to design your thumbnail, and to edit your video on a mobile phone you can use InShot. And if you want to edit your video on a laptop, you can install Filmora. Haven't set up your YouTube channel, let's now go to how to record, edit, optimize and upload your video. So I'm going to assume that you know how to record a good video. Once you've gotten your video footage, take it to the InShot editing app and cut out the unnecessary parts of the video, add background music, filter, transition and all. Also, you can adjust the lighting or the volume on your editing app. Once your video is edited, you need to upload it. At this point, don't make your video public yet because you need to optimize your video. Hopefully you don't have a copyright claim. If you have copyright claim, there will be prompt leading you to how you can resolve it. Sometimes you might just have to replace the background music, that is if there is any copyright music playing in the background. Though in the beginning of the video I said you don't need a skill to start a YouTube channel, but by the time you start your channel, you need to learn, you need to grow, you need to become smarter, know what works and what doesn't work. Watch resources from channels like vidIQ, TubeBuddy and a lot of other seasoned creators that give helpful tips on content creation on YouTube. Here you cannot be a jack of all trades. Fine, you can add spice to your content, you can make it interesting, but you cannot dabble here and there. I am speaking from experience. I have dabbled from hair tutorial, vlog, tech review. What have I not dabbled into? So I'm letting you know that in fact I did comedy compilation. So you need to pick a niche and be creative around that niche. Make it interesting. I've also said this before, but you really need to pay attention to your audio and your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is what will make that click-through rate higher. Learn from your past videos and even people that have been making videos before you. Learn the best practices for making thumbnails. Don't crowd your thumbnails with too many words. Also, ensure to include keywords in your thumbnail because it's part of what the algorithm will pick to recommend your video. Make sure your keyword is in your title. Some school of thought believe that you need to mention your keywords severally in the video because the algorithm picks such message and use to recommend your video. So you need to pay attention to thumbnails, keyword, audio and all of that. Another thing to keep in mind is collaboration. Collaboration will help you grow exponentially, but make sure to collaborate with somebody in your niche. Find that person in your niche that has the same kind of energy, if not more energy than you. Collaborate with that person and you see exponential growth in your figures. Now let's head straight to the don'ts. Do not ever do sub for sub. Whenever there's an opportunity for sub and people are running in that direction, you run away from it because it doesn't ever help. Like I said, I've made this mistake in the past and it hurt my channel. There's one time I did sub for sub, only for me to wake up the following morning to meet that all those subscribers were removed and my subscriber count became way less than what I even had before I did the sub for sub. Also, don't start your YouTube channel with just one video. It is like a crime. Don't do it. In the past, people did it. I did it too. But these days, the best practice these days, sorry about the slides, the best practice these days is upload maybe at least 5 videos, 5 good content before you actually make everything public. That way, when people watch one of your videos and they want more, they can go and watch more. What YouTube wants is that people remain on their platform, and if you're a newbie and you're already having retention, people binge watching your videos, trust me, YouTube algorithm will promote your videos like crazy. So don't ever start your YouTube channel with just one video. You can always start with the introduction, upload your introduction, upload your first video, second, third, fifth videos before you make all of it public. And that's all I have for you in this master class. Do let me know if you have any question about any of these I've mentioned or anyone I've not mentioned that you're not clear about. Drop your comments in the comment section, and if you've not tapped on the like button yet, do so for the algorithm. And this reminds me of one more thing to make sure to do as a content creator. Always prompt people to take some actions. If you want them to subscribe to your channel, tell them to. If you want them to like your video, if you want them to share, comment, always prompt them, because as you go on with your video, they might get taken away. It might not necessarily mean they didn't enjoy it, but they forgot to like your video. So you have to remind them to like, comment, subscribe and all. Alright, so and that's all. On that note, if you're starting a YouTube channel this year, let me know. I'm going to give you a shout out. And if you've watched till this time, leave me a comment including a little camera emoji. And thanks for watching till now. Till you see my face again.